Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some dynamic hip opening stretches that is valued for every single person, whether you're a beginner, you're intermediate, or you are advanced. Join me, let's start off. The first pose I'm doing today is high lizard, and in this high lizard, because it's a dynamic stretch, I like to move my hands in and out, move my shoulders, move my arms, move my back, just keep moving because it's a dynamic stretch. So it's not like you're static like my legs. Other part of your body is supposed to move. So guys, join me and keep moving. Remember, you're doing each of these poses inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling, to give your body enough room to stay warm and open up. Now you're going to do the same exercise for the other side. So if you started on your left leg, you're going to go to your right leg this time around. Keep doing the dynamic stretches, move your upper body, go with your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Guys, let me tell you a story. I don't think I used to like high lizard before. Like, I feel like the pose was just so brutal and so painful, but like they say, practice makes improvement. Like I had to keep practicing. I've been practicing lizard pose for so long. I practically do enjoy it now. So you can also enjoy it if you give your body more time. Now we're moving from high lizard to this low lizard by dropping my elbows beside my legs. Now guys, you need to keep walking dynamic stretches. The movement can be still, the movement can be gentle, it can be fast. Just do what works for you. I like to move my hips, I like to rock my hips in this pose, and then after staying there for a while, I'll move straight to the other leg. Now guys, you might not want to hyper extend like the way I'm doing, but because I'm going to a full split all the way on the other side, and just like everybody is different, you can do exactly what works for you. And remember, this is a dynamic stretch, so you want to keep rocking, keep moving, keep doing those slow movements, keep showing your body all the love by moving in and dropping into your body. Now guys, keep stretching as much as you can, and then guys, we're going to come up into a wide leg seated stretch. Now guys, you're going to sit down like you are almost in a forward fold position. You're going to pull your legs using your core and using your back to direct your body. Remember to inhale, exhale, have fun, and see the extent to which you can actually patch your legs. And this next dynamic stretch I'm doing is called compass pose. I am rocking up my legs over and supporting the other hand around my ankles. So guys, you do what works for you, do according to your own level, but make sure you are trying something new and you're pushing your body to do it. We cannot do on one leg and then forget the other side. You have to balance it up. You have to balance it up so that everything can just balance. You don't want your left leg to be more flexible than your right leg, or your right leg to be more flexible than your left leg. You want to balance it. Now we're going to go to some dynamic inversion stretches, and I'm going to this pose, this wide leg fold, but in a seated position. So guys, this is another hip opening stretch, dynamic and very, very interesting. I call it a yummy stretch because you know what, it just helps to reduce tension, especially around the inner thighs. So the areas where you wouldn't meet when you are standing up, when you are in a reclined position like this, coming from happy baby, you can go in deeper than you even imagine. So guys, you want to do this, go as far as you can go, do whatever works for you, try new things. You see me guys here, I was trying to rock my legs around my head, but it wasn't working. Anyway, it got to this point, and then I tried to sit in it for a while before I came out and back to my inversion, because guys, inversion keeps your back warm and it helps you to slow down. So in this position, I'm warming up my internal organs at the same time working my legs and my hips. So guys, do exactly what works for you. Remember that stretching doesn't have to be so hard, because you're showing a lot of love. So now guys, I'm rounding up around Malasana, this seated hip opening stretch. Guys, I'm sitting into my inner thighs and I'm rocking side to side, it's a dynamic stretch. Guys, you want to move, guys, you want to move, you want to move, you want to move, stretch it out, you want to move, you want to move. So guys, move as much as you can, side to side, as low as you can go. Make sure you're having fun, let yourself relax, and then we're going to go to middle splits. Because now middle splits, my body is all warmed up. You don't just go to middle splits without warming up, and middle splits can be a little difficult for your body. So sometimes try to smile so you deceive your body a bit, like you were having fun whereas you were in a lot of pain. So guys, now we're going to sit in butterfly and just rock up our legs and flap it like a beautiful butterfly. So guys, this exercise is very good for each and every one of you. I will encourage you guys to practice, and please hit that subscribe button, follow, and turn up your post notification so you know when next time I post. Thank you so much guys for sticking to the end of this video. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.